Hey guys, this is Chris with the Real Estate Problem Solver. Just wanted to give you an update on the double wide that we were putting together. And as you can see, they've done all the demo and put down the drywall. Now over here, they have, in all the wet areas, they have put in the green board, which is the mold resistant, and in some of the wet areas in the laundry room. And also they did it in the shower, in the bathrooms as well. So it's coming along. This came to be a lot more than we expected it to be. The most of the flooring that was all through that area over here, these boards were all rotted where the sink and the sink was over there. But those boards had to be replaced. There was some window leakage coming in, and they had to change out these boards. About 16 boards in all. Most of the air conditioning area, the laundry room, and the closets and shower on the other side had to be replaced. But they got all that changed out. They're working on finishing up the bathroom. The master bath is ready for plumbing and close up. And the guest bathroom, well, looks like they already got the one rotted spot finished up there. The sink is out and ready for new plumbing here on the where the sink is going to go, and the new shower and tub has been put in. So all we've got to do is wait for the plumber to come in either tomorrow or Monday, hopefully, and get the plumbing run for the new sink and tubs. So still a lot to do left, but we just want to give you all an update on how it's going, and kind of give you more of a video besides just the anchor system that they used on the outside of the house. So I'm Chris with the Real Estate Problem Solver. If you've got a house at a mobile home that you don't want and has got problems like this, give us a call, 478-273-0062. We'll talk to you on the next one.